Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to fix notification from Facebook app not working on your Android. Please friends, put your likes under this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to write comments after watching. So let us get into this topic with you. And if you have a situation where for some reason you're not getting notifications from the Facebook app, I'm going to show you a few methods that you can use to remedy this situation. And first, I recommend you to see if you have the Facebook app updated to the latest version. To do this, you will need to open the Play Store on your Android. Next, go to the search part. At the top, please type the word Facebook in the search box. Open that app. And if you have the word update, as I did, you will need to tap on it and wait for this app to update. It will take a little time, about 1 to 2 minutes, after which you can safely re-enter Facebook already more updated. And such an update, it will help you to fix the situation. If unfortunately this did not help, then I recommend going to Facebook itself. Now friends, on the top right, click on the 3 bars next to your image. Now at the top, also click on the gear. And here in the rows, swipe down a little bit. Select Notifications. Now you'll need to go to each of the notification sections, or just the sections that you're interested in, and turn on. So you click, and you'll see a list here of exactly how Facebook notifications can push notifications to you. So it will be push notifications to your phone via email or via SMS. You choose the option that suits you best, or you can turn them all on for more assurance. And do the same with absolutely all items. If even this method did not help you, unfortunately, friends, then I recommend you to swipe on the screen of your Android. On the right side from top to bottom, click on the gear to open the settings of your phone. Now swipe down a little bit to the bottom. Tap the App Manager or just App. And when you open a list of all the apps on your device, in the search bar, you'll see the word Facebook. Open it up. And here you will be able to find the notifications option. Click on it. And also make sure that you have all the items here enabled. Because if you have notifications turned off here, for example in banners, or you have the sound turned off, or from the work screen, or at the bottom you have, let's say, notifications and comments, tags, from friends, and so on. That's why you might not get them. These are the methods, friends, you can fix the not working Facebook notification on Android. Hope, friends, this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write your comments, and also, friends, subscribe to this channel. See you, friends.